Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your phone number in private mode. This is useful if you want to make a call to someone you don't know and you don't want them to save your phone number. Here's what you can do. First, access the phone dialer app from your home screen. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen and enter the settings section. Once you're in this screen, go to the Calls option and select Additional Settings. Here, wait a few seconds for your operator to update all the data, as this setting is applied directly by the service provider you are using. Once the options are available, select Caller ID. Here, you can choose to hide your number, leave it default, or show your number. This setting is almost universal and can be done on any Android phone model. However, if these options don't appear on your device, I will leave a link to a detailed web article in the description and comments, where you can find all these configurations for every phone model available. Once you activate the option to hide your number, any call you make will appear as a private call on the recipient's display. So, this is how you can hide your phone number and put it in private mode. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.